to learn about data structure. So first of all, what is the data structure? A data structure is a way to organize the data that we can easily process or manipulate. Computer is an electronic machine which is used for data processing and manipulation. When a programmer collects such type of data for processing, he would require to store all of them in computer's main memory. In order to make computer work, we need to know representation of data in computer, accessing of data in computer, and how to solve problems step by step. For doing this task, we use data structure. That's why we need to know what is the data structure in deeply. So data structure is a representation of logical relationships existing between individual elements of data. It is also mathematical or logical model of a particular organization of data items. When program is written, we have to know about algorithm and data structure. Without this or this, we cannot make a program. That's why we have to know about algorithm and data structure both. So this is a chart of data structure. There are two parts of data structure. One is primitive and another one is non-primitive. In primitives, integer, floating points, characters, strings, pointers, etc. are included. Non-primitives has two parts. One is linear, other one is non-linear. Linear has array, stack, queue, linked list, and non-linear has graph and tree. So what is primitive data structure? Primitive data structure is a basic data structure. It is directly operated upon by a machine instruction. Different representation on different computer, that is called different machine, different representation. So here are examples. Integer, floats, characters and pointers are primitive data structure. Non-primitive data structure. It is sophisticated data structure. It is derived from primitive data structure. Emphasis on structuring of a group of homogeneous or heterogeneous data items. Two parts of non-primitive data structure that are linear, non-linear. We will learn about linear and non-linear in the next part. So stay connected with us.